Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem number 1342 called number of steps to reduce a number to zero. In this video, I will first explain the problem in simple words with examples. Then we will work step by step through the C++ solution, understand the logic behind it, and finally test it out with some inputs. So let's get started. So the problem says you are given an integer num. Your task is to return the number of steps it takes to reduce this number to 0. The rules are simple. If the number is even, divide it by 2. And if the number is odd, subtract 1 from it. We repeat this operation until the number becomes 0. The total number of operation performed will be our answer. Let's make this clear with examples. Example 1. If num is equals to 14, step 1, 40 is in even, so divide by 2, this is equals to 7. Step 2. 7 is odd, subtract by 1, so result is equals to 6. Step 3. 6 is even, so divide by 2, so result is equals to 3. Step 4. 3 is odd, so subtract by 1, and result is equals to 2. 2 is even, divide by 2, result is equals to 1, and 1 is odd, subtract 1, so result is equals to 0. So it takes 6 steps in total, so the output becomes 6. Example 2. If num is equals to 8, so the output becomes 4. So why? Because of 8 is even, divide by 2, the result is equals to 4. 4 is even, divide by 2, result is equals to 2. 2 is also even, divide by 2, and result is equals to 1. And 1 is odd, subtract by 1, so result is equals to 0. So it takes 4 steps. So the output is 4. Example 3. If num is equals to 1, 2, 3. Here, it will take more operation and the answer is 12. So basically, we are just checking if the number is even or odd, applying the correct operation and tracking track of the steps until the number becomes 0. Now, let me understand the problem. Let's look at the C++ code and walk through it step by step. Here, we define a class solution with a function number of steps that takes an integer num and returns the number of steps. Int steps is equals to 0. We start this with steps set to 0 because haven't made any moves yet. We keep running the loop until num becomes 0. If num percentage 2 is equals to 0, num divided by 2 is equals to 2. If num is even, we divide it by 2. Else, num is equals to minus is equals to 1. If num is odd, we subtract 1. After each operation, we increment the step counter, steps plus plus plus. Finally, when the loop ends, we return steps. That's the whole logic. Very simple and efficient. Now, let's test this code with examples we saw earlier. For num is equals to 14. So for num is equals to 14, so the output becomes 6. For num is equals to 8, output becomes 4. For num is equals to 1, 2, 3, output becomes 12. Yeah, all the test cases works perfectly. And that's how we solve the LeetCode problem 1342, number of steps to reduce a number to 0. We first understood the rules, so how the operations work with examples, then implemented a simple while loop to check if the number is even or odd, applied the right operation and counted the steps until the number becomes 0. I hope this explanation made the problem clear for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more coding walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.